Hi, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to take a look at how to create a Google assignment in Canvas. In order to do that, I'm going to start here in my module view, and I'm going to add to the module an assignment. So I'm going to just name this. Okay, I've got my Google assignment created. I'm going to click it once to open it, and then I'm going to click edit to get into edit mode. Now this assignment acts the same as a lot of the other assignments in some respects, and it acts a little bit differently. So this box that you have up here where you can type directions, that remains the same. So I can still add directions, images, all the things that I want. So I'm going to just type some quick directions. Once you've got your directions typed in, you're going to scroll down and start looking at the bottom section. So I'm going to add in my points, choose how I want the grade to display, and then this is where it gets a little bit different. So right here for submission type, I'm going to choose an external tool. And this is where you're going to locate the Google tool. So I'm going to click the Find button. You're not going to type Google in this slot. You're just going to click Find, and that way it'll just find everything that's available to you. So I'm going to scroll through my list, and I am looking for the one that is called Google Assignments LTI. So I'm going to click that one. It's going to have you log into your Google account. And then you're going to get this screen that looks very much like it would in your Google Classroom. So you can either attach a file that you've already created in your Google Drive, or it'll just let you create a new one right from this view. To save us some time, I'm going to just choose one from my Google Drive. Okay, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to pretend this is the template that I want them to fill in. So I'm going to click on it, click Add. Now, as you can see, it's attached, and it says each student will get their own copy here. It's already set at 100 points. I can add a due date. If you have a rubric, you can add a rubric, and then you're going to hit Create. And then you hit select. You can add the due date here as well, just so that it will pop up on their Canvas to-do list. And then I'm going to hit save and publish. Now that assignment is all ready for the students. I'm going to click, this is what the students will see. They'll click here and it will load. I'm going to click it just to show you, but it will load in teacher view on mine. So as the teacher, when you click that assignment, here is what you are going to get, and then as students turn them in, you will see them in this box down here, and you'll be able to click them and grade them just like you would in a Google Classroom. So thanks for joining me to learn about how to complete Google assignments in Canvas. I hope that you have a great time creating some Google assignments.